What's going on, guys? This is Ryan here, and today just wanted to go over a little bit of info about the new DJI Mini 3 drone. As you may have noticed, it has been leaked. There's some information that's been leaked in regards to the DJI Mini 3. It is rumored to also come out later this month in April of 2022. Let's have a look as I share screen. Look at the specs together. Here we are. So here is the drone itself. You'll notice that it has a remote controller and a screen of its own. So no more use or need of your own cell phone or worrying about Android for Android users such as myself. My Samsung S20 updated to the Android 12 and it was no longer able to use my Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Go app was not able to run at all, despite different tries. Okay. So the drone will also be below 250 grams. Below 250 grams. It seems like the shell will give an additional 3 or 4 minutes flight time. So maybe there's some kind of flight extending battery component that's part of the shell and the battery. There's a backward and front facing system. And here are the specs. Let me just zoom in. All right. So if we look at the specs, it has a 1.3 inch CMOS sensor, a f-stop 1.7 large aperture. It has a gimbal tilted at a large angle, allowing you to shoot upwards, recording upwards or taking photos. And it also has a vertical mode. Seems like they're bringing back the Mavic 1's ability to take vertical shots. For those who are interested in taking vertical shots, it is useful for portrait sharing or maybe even taking portrait panoramas. And there's the 3-directional obstacle avoidance, which is front, back, and below. And then there's active tracking mode, which is compared to the Mavic 2 or the Mavic 1, did not exist natively on the Mavic. You would need some kind of other hackable software in order to do the software track, the active track. The Mavic Mini 3 will also come with OcuSync transmission, which boasts about approximately 10 kilometers of unhindered or uninterfered interference. That's pretty cool. And then a new remote controller with a built-in screen, as mentioned before. So this is the drones deal or deals drone. Twitter, who has been leaking much of DJI's products and drones over time on their Twitter. And each time it does seem to be quite accurate. All right, so here it is again, the information, the information here. There's a picture of it. And this was some other Twitter person who was just sketching up some ideas about what it looks like. Okay, so let's go over here. And there is a video that was leaked just a few hours ago of the DJI Mini 3. Let me just play this. And it's just a like 2-second video of the DJI Mini 3, it looks like. Let's play that again. It looks like it's taken place, the video and photos were taking place at some kind of convention or booth stall. Okay, as you'll notice, there is the bottom sensors, front facing, and then there is the camera right there. Okay. Now the camera looks like it's hinged to the right side of the front compartment of the drone. And there's a new design of the DJI Mini 3 where on the top it's sort of basically cut off off so that the camera can pan upwards, or maybe even if there was something like a sports mode or FPV mode, it can have more visibility to the forward tilt. It also looks like there's cables sticking out, or it's just part of the gimbal that's holding the lens here. Okay. So you'll notice here it's a little bit blurry, but it says 249 grams. And then there's like some code printed on the bottom there. It's quite interesting. It does look like the Mavic Mini, where like the screws, like Mavic Mini 1 and 2 series, the design looks exactly the same. And then there's the orange tips. So it's very likely that this Mavic 3 will come out as this video and photo has been quote unquote leaked. In the background, you see it looks like something like Eva Pro. It looks like some other drone. So yeah, this is what the top would look like. These are back-facing sensors. And we'll just go to the next photo. There's the battery. Okay. There's the battery that seems to be for the Mavic Mini 3. And it looks like it will be a 2453 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. Yeah, let's have a look at this. Here's the photo. Zoom in. There you go. It's the lithium ion polymer rechargeable battery. So it's quite interesting and very exciting news to receive all of these information about the drone Mavic 3. What do you guys think about this Mavic 3? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments down below. If you found that this if you found this video to be interesting or useful to you, please hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, I am quite interested in this drone. However, there is also rumors about a DJI Mini FPV that will be coming in July. That would be very interesting to see if it's something like a Cinewhoop or a Nano that can be used with preferably better battery life and able to fly through small spaces with good transmission signal. I think that would be pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys go ahead and purchase the Mavic Mini 3, or would you just stick with the Mavic Mini 2 or 1? Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.